How does pain medication timing improve coughing after surgery? Imagine trying to clear your lungs after surgery but feeling like each cough is a sharp reminder of your pain. That's a common challenge many patients face. When pain is not controlled well, coughing becomes shallow or avoided altogether. This can lead to mucus buildup and increase the risk of lung infections like pneumonia. Proper timing of pain medication makes a big difference here. When you take your pain medicine before you start coughing or moving, it helps keep your pain at a manageable level. This means you can cough more deeply and effectively without discomfort. Deep coughing is essential after surgery because it helps clear mucus from your lungs. Clearing mucus reduces the chance of lung complications and speeds up your recovery process. Pain medications are usually prescribed to be taken at regular intervals, such as every 4 to 6 hours. This schedule helps keep a steady level of pain relief in your body. When pain is controlled consistently, you are more likely to perform coughing exercises and deep breathing without hesitation. If you wait until the pain becomes intense, coughing becomes difficult and less effective, which can cause mucus to stay in your lungs. It's also helpful to take your medication before activities that might cause pain, like coughing or moving around. Doing this ensures that your pain relief is active during these important exercises. Nurses and healthcare providers often check your pain levels and may adjust your medication schedule to keep you comfortable. Using pillows to support your chest or surgical site while coughing can also reduce pain. Combining this support with timely pain medication makes coughing easier and less painful. Moving around early after surgery with proper pain control helps your lungs stay clear and prevents complications. In short, taking pain medication on time helps you cough more comfortably and deeply after surgery. This improves lung health, speeds up recovery, and lowers the chance of problems developing later. Proper pain management is a key part of your healing journey.